Hello guys, good morning. Nandito na naman po tayo sa ating edition na inspection. Okay? So inline sa ating video yesterday, ito po yung oxyacetylene gas cutting kit o set na ini-inspect natin. So best practices, nag-develop ako ng mga checklist para dito sa aming company para naman po magandang tignan, okay? Hindi lang po puro picture, for records purposes also. At syempre pag may record, pwede nyo balikan as a history in terms of accident investigation program. Okay guys, so yun ang best practice natin. Kailangan natin to have a daily inspection checklist. Sir, bakit po daily? Syempre po araw-araw natin ginagamit, in between the days kailangan natin ma-check. Kasi po kung weekly or monthly, paano naman po yung ibang araw na hindi natin na-check? So baka by in between that araw na yon, meron palang issue, hindi natin na-check. Okay guys, tsaka ang oxyacetylene gas cutting activity is one of the critical activities sa industriya ng ating construction, manufacturing, etc. Okay guys, so gawing maayos, gawing tama ang ating mga program para po ligtas yung mga ating workers. Maraming salamat guys and good morning. See you in another video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. Okay guys, ito nga pala yung checklist nasa background. Maraming salamat po and see you on Sunday inshallah.